I don't miss. I'm a professional.
3, 2.
So it's America's birthday today, and what better way to celebrate than to blow up $300 of fireworks and explosives. Now with that, I wanted to do something a little bit different this year. I wanted to be able to have some fun, so I was able to pick up 2 pounds of Tannerite. So I'm going to be blowing this up on this video in the name of America. So what is Tannerite, you might ask? This is, I would classify as an explosive, but it's not a regulated explosive. So therefore, I am able to get this. Now it is completely not dangerous if you drop it, throw it in a fire. The only thing that makes this go off is something that goes over 2,000 feet per second. So therefore, this beauty. Chambered in 308. This is AR-10, so I'm going to be shooting the Tannerite with this, and it's going to make a big boom, and my neighbors are probably not gonna like me very much. But it's 4th of July. It's like kind of what you do. Yeah. Tannerite's set up in a very good location. No one's around, so this is safe. As safe as you possibly can be with an explosive. No, I didn't show you how to mix it. You're gonna have to figure that out on your own because I don't want this video being banned. So, are you ready, Tim?
I'm ready.
Let's do it. So remember, with this, I'm a trained, I don't know about a professional, but I am trained and always wear protection. All right, Brandon 1, Tannerite 0. Here we go.
It'll be super embarrassing if you miss.
I don't miss, I'm a professional. Sand 1, you ready?
Where'd the stump go?
So that was blowing up 2 pounds of Tannerite. Now you could see that there is quite a bit of smoke everywhere, and we did this like 5 minutes ago. So it's pretty pretty. You know, if you want to set off an ambiance, shoot some Tannerite. I know that most of the people are here because they like to see tattooing content, but I wanted to do something a little bit different. I wanted to be able to get out with Tim, who is my apprentice, and do something fun for the 4th of July. So here it is. Now we're going to set up some fireworks for the people that don't have the ability or it is illegal where you are. This video is for you.
Shit.
Ready. Three, 2, 1, light. And that is it. I hope everyone had a safe 4th of July and did not get hurt. I hope you enjoyed the show that we put on. We are all safe, have all our fingers, which is important for tattooing. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm gonna go get cleaned up and put a shirt on now.